Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 10 and we're gonna explain about CoreAI, or easy to understand, it is AI textbook. So as you can see here, this is our team members, and the first one is Faris Nazim. It is me, my name is Faris Nazim, and the second one is Muhammad Fatul Afiq, and the third one is Muhammad Amzar Asna, and the fourth one is Muhammad Haris, the last one is Melissa. So hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm gonna explain about the executive summary about our product, that is CoreAI. So CoreAI was founded on 23 November 2023 in Shah Alam, Selangor. Okay, so it's an edtech company focused on transforming education with AI-enabled electronic textbook. We design innovative, interactive and affordable solution that combine academic content with advanced AI tools, offering instant feedback, personalized study plans, and interactive resources that enhance both self-study and classroom learning. Okay, so sustainability and accessibility are central to our mission. By reducing reliance on printed textbook, we keep costs affordable while contributing to environmental preservation with strong partnership across school, tuition centers and colleges, and access to both local and international markets. So, CoreAI is positioned for growth. Looking ahead, we aim to expand globally, delivering AI-driven education solutions that provide lasting value for students and educators worldwide. So I'm going to pass to Melissa for the next part.
Hi, my name is Melissa. So moving on to the introduction of the company. So our company's name is CoreAI and the shareholders' name is Melissa, Faris Nazim, Muhammad Fatul Afiq, Muhammad Haris and also Muhammad Amza Asna. So our paid up capital is actually start at 150,000 ringgit Malaysia, and our type of industry is education technology, and also our date of registration is on 23rd November 2023. CoreAI is an AI-powered textbook app designed to modernize traditional learning. It includes smart features like explanations, summaries, recommendations, and also quizzes. Our aim is to make learning more engaging, accessible, and effective through personalized study tools. We are part of the growing edutech industry, which is seeing high demand in Malaysia and globally for flexible and adaptive learning solution. So with the digital platform replacing traditional textbook, CoreAI has strong potential to grow up and contribute to Malaysia's digital education transformation. So our vision is to improve education using AI to make it more effective and intelligent and approachable. Our vision is to provide interactive tools that support both students and teachers with personalized learning and AI-powered resources. Our proposal was selected because of the rising demand for flexible AI-driven learning skills. Traditional methods are often less engaging, but AI brings more value and efficiency. It is also eco-friendly and cost-effective compared to printed textbook, with strong potential for both local and international growth. Looking at the future, the global shift towards digital and AI-based education creates a big opportunity. The Malaysian edutech sector is expanding, and CoreAI has the potential to scale up and form strategic partnerships. And we also see strong prospects for adoption not only in school and university, but also among individual learners. So this is our management team. So this is our organizational chart, which is Faris Nazim being the managing director, Amza Asna being the technical lead, Haris being the finance manager, Fatul Afiq being the operation manager, and also Melissa being the marketing manager. So for the human resource plan, we have 8 staff in total, which is 1 manager director, 1 operation manager, 1 marketing manager, 2 technical lab and engineer, finance manager, only 1, and also 2 of customer support executive. This is our administrative budget, which cover both fixed asset expenses and salaries. For fixed asset expenses, we have allocated 12,000 ringgit Malaysian for office equipment, 4,000 ringgit for furniture, 5,000 ringgit for renovation, and 6,000 ringgit for software licenses. And that make the total of 27,000 ringgit Malaysian. So the next is the salary budget. Details the monthly and annual salaries for various positions such as managing director, technical lead, operation manager, marketing, finance, and also customer support. So the total monthly salary budget is 192,000 ringgit Malaysian, and for the annual salary budget is 18,432,000 ringgit Malaysian. Last but not least, for our administrative budget, our monthly operating expenses include costs such as office rent, utilities, software subscription, marketing, maintenance, and also miscellaneous. So the total monthly operating expense is 7,350 ringgit, that summing up to an annual cost of 88,200 ringgit Malaysian. Next, we have other annual administrative expenses. So this cover business licenses and registration, insurance and legal fees, staff training and development, and a contingency reserve. So the total for this other administrative expenses come to 11,800 ringgit Malaysian annually. So together, these figures provide a comprehensive view of the administrative costs involved in supporting knowledge workers in the organisation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faiz Nazim, and I'm going to explain about my part, that is product and service. Okay, so what is CoreAI? CoreAI is easy to understand. It is just an AI-enabled e-textbook. And for the point, I'm going to give you the detail about the product. For the first point, it is more than a digital textbook. Integrate AI tutoring, adaptive learning, multilingual support, and real-time feedback. And for the second point, it is a track learner progress with machine learning, tailoring study plans to individual strengths and weaknesses. And for the third point, it offers interactive tools, quizzes, simulation, and AI-powered explanation. It is to boost engagement between student and teachers, or AI is easy to understand that way. And the fourth point is this AI use cloud-based, mobile-first, data-driven, designed for scalability and accessibility. And for the last point, it is support teachers, parents, and institutions with analytics meeting both local and global curriculum standards. And for the next part, hi, and I'm going to explain about the benefit and customer value from our product, that is CoreAI or AI textbooks. Okay, the first benefit is for student, obviously. And what benefit can student get? In the first one, personalized learning with AI-driven study plans. And the second benefit is interactive resource that improve engagement and retention. And the second one is the benefit for teachers and institutions such as school. Okay, the first benefit is adaptive support with real-time student performance tracking. And the second benefit is curriculum-aligned content with data-driven insight. And the third one is for parents, of the students. The first benefit, it is clear progress tracking of their child's learning. And the second benefit they could get is affordable, reducing tuition, and the last one, textbook costs. And the last benefit is for community and market. The first benefit is sustainable solution, reducing paper waste, and the second benefit is scalable platform for both local and global markets. So that's all from me. I'm gonna pass to my other teammate to explain about marketing program.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Haris and today I will be presenting our marketing programs. And moving on to our marketing overview. CoreAI is positioned as a leader in AI-driven educational technology. The focus is to make the platform more valuable to students, parents, and institutions by applying proven, cost-efficient marketing strategies that highlights its innovative edge. So for our marketing strategy, we use the 4 P's of marketing to target our audience. For product strategy, CoreAI will be marketed as an intelligent, low-cost, and open AI-based textbook platform. It is designed to leverage proven test-taking techniques while offering strong support for learning, including mobile and ESL tools. The platform ensures scalability by integrating seamlessly with schools, tuition centers, and universities, supported further through institutional licensing. Imagine a high school where students prepare for exam using CoreAI. Teachers can instantly generate practice quizzes aligned to the curriculum, while ESL learners get simplified explanation in their native language. Next, for pricing strategy, the platform will follow a subscription-based model, offering both monthly and yearly options. Pricing will remain affordable, ensuring it does not exceed the cost of traditional textbook. To make it more accessible, CoreAI will also provide student discount and institutional bundling packages tailored for schools and university. Next up is our promotion strategy. Marketing will include digital ads on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google, campus engagement through fairs, roadshows, and demos, and traditional flyers at colleges and tuition centers. CoreAI will also build partnership with schools, tuition centers, and organizations supported by referral and loyalty programs to boost subscriptions. Lastly, for place and distribution strategy, CoreAI will be available through both its website and mobile app stores, making access simple and convenient. Institutional licensing will provide direct access to schools, university, and tuition centers. Beyond local distribution, CoreAI aims to expand regionally by targeting Asian education market through online channels. For example, a student can download CoreAI directly from the App Store or Google Play, or simply log in via the website to start learning immediately. Next, we will be moving on to CoreAI 3-year projections. For our first year, we are expecting 5,000 projected users with RM 184,000 in revenue and a marketing budget of RM 29,440, which is 60% of our revenue. We purposely quoted 60% of our revenue to the marketing budget for each year. And for our second year, we are projecting 15,000 users, RM 552,000 in revenue, and RM 88,320 for our marketing budget. And lastly, for our third year, we are expecting 30,000 users, and we are expecting around RM 1,104,000 in revenue and RM 176,640 in our marketing budget. For the final part of our marketing programs, we will be covering our marketing budget allocations. For our first year is our launch phase. Our objective is to create brand awareness and introduce CoreAI as an innovative AI-powered digital textbook to students, parents, educators. We focus on building visibility through online ads, campus events, and flyers, while attracting early adopters. The allocation for our budget includes our fixed asset cost, which is around RM 4,000 ringgit. We will be handing out flyers and print materials for campuses. Next, for our monthly expenses is RM 12,000 ringgit for online ads, for example, social media, Google, and etc. And lastly is our other expenses, which cost around 8,000 ringgit for campus events and roadshows, which all totals up to 24,000 ringgit. For our second year is our growth phase. Our objective is to expand the user base and strengthen CoreAI's credibility by collaborating with MC Plus Education, partnering with schools and tuition centers, and scaling up online campaigns. The goal is to increase trust and adoption among secondary, pre-university, and university students. The allocation of our budget includes fixed asset costs, which is around 10,000 ringgit, is used for content marketing, for example, tutorial, blogs, student and student success stories. Next is our monthly expenses, which is around 38,320 ringgit, which includes expanded online ads, which is RM 30,000 ringgit, plus referral and loyalty program, which is RM 8,320 ringgit. And lastly, for our other expenses is RM 40,000 ringgit, which is collaboration with MC Plus, which is 20,000 ringgit, plus schools and institutional partnership, which is around 20,000 ringgit, which totals up to around 88,320 ringgit. Lastly, our third year is our expansion phase. Our objective is to position CoreAI as a leading EdTech brand in Malaysia and begin expanding into regional/global markets. Focus on global digital campaigns, institutional licensing, influencer collaborations, and sponsorship of international education events to build long-term reputation and customer loyalty. The allocation for our budget includes our fixed asset cost, which is 25,000 ringgit, which include institutional partnership and licensing. Our monthly expenses of 91,640 ringgit, which is global digital campaign RM 70,000 ringgit, plus ongoing promotions and loyalty discounts, which is RM 21,640 ringgit. And lastly is our other expenses. It is 60,000 ringgit, which include educational conferences and sponsorship, which is RM 40,000 ringgit, and plus educational influencer partnership, which is RM 20,000 ringgit, which totals up to 176,640 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fatul Afiq Farid. So I will present about operational plan for CoreAI digital textbook. First of all is process flowchart CoreAI digital textbook. First is content sourcing and curation. Secondly is digitization and formatting. Thirdly is AI integration. For example, CoreAI engine. Fourthly is testing and quality assurance. Fifth is deployment on platform web. Six is user access and feedback. Lastly is we will get continuous update and improvement. So we move to material requirement planning, MRP. First of all, we will use cloud infrastructure. We will use AWS, Google Cloud or Azure to provide storage computing power and scalability, which ensure the system can grow with user demand. Secondly is APIs and AI framework. We will integrate API and frameworks such as OpenAI, TensorFlow, and PyTorch to build the AI feature of our platform. Thirdly is content licensing. We plan to establish licensing agreement with publisher and university so that high quality textbook and learning content can be included legally. Lastly is software tool. For team collaboration, we will use GitHub for code management, Jira for project taking, Slack for communication, and Figma for UI or UX design. Okay, so we move to machine and equipment. First of all is cloud server. We will use subscription-based cloud servers such as AWS, Google Cloud or Azure. This provide reliable hosting, computing resources and scalability for our platform. Secondly is developer laptop. Our developers will use high-performance laptop like MacBook Pro or Lenovo ThinkPad suitable for coding and AI training. Thirdly is office equipment. To maintain productivity and comfort, we will set up ergonomic desks, chairs and large monitors for the workplace. Lastly is testing device. We will provide smartphone and tablet, both iOS and Android, to ensure proper testing and quality assurance of our app. And power requirement, we divide each into three groups. First is tech team, secondly is operation, and lastly is support and business. For tech team, we have 2 AI engineers to build and optimize AI model, 4 app developers responsible for coding, system integration and regular update, 1 UI or UX designer to design a user-friendly interface and smooth experience. So we move to operation, 1 content manager to manage publisher partnership and content quality, 2 QA tester to ensure reliability, functionality and bug-free performance. Okay, so we move to support and business. 1 marketing specialist handle promotion, campaign and outreach. 2 customer support representatives to respond to user inquiries and feedback, and 1 admin or finance officer to manage compliance, accounts and financial reporting. So we move to production schedule. First is prototype development and AI training. We begin in the first 3 months with prototype development and AI training. This stage focus on building the core engine of the system. Secondly is beta testing and user feedback. From months 3 to 5, we conduct beta testing and gather user feedback to identify strengths and area for improvement. Thirdly is official launch. In month 6, we plan for the official launch of our application once the core system is stable and test. Lastly is ongoing update. We can see in the table. From month 7 onward, we will focus on continuous update, bug fix and feature enhancement to ensure long-term sustainability. Okay, so we move to location and why. First is talent pool. Malaysia has a strong talent pool. We have access to skilled IT graduates from top universities like UTM and APU. This ensures a steady supply of AI engineers, developers and analysts to support our growth. Secondly, startup ecosystem. Malaysia offers a supportive startup ecosystem. Agencies such as MEDEC, Cradle and Magic provide grants, accelerator program and industry networking opportunity that help us grow rapidly. Thirdly is cost advantage. Another advantage is that cost factor. Operating costs here are much lower compared to Singapore. This allows us to allocate more resources into R&D, technology development and marketing. Fourthly is strategy partnership. We also benefit from strategic partnership. Being close to university and collaborating with MC Plus give us opportunity for pilot testing, research, and enhance our credibility in the education sector. For lastly is regional access. Finally, Kuala Lumpur offers strong regional access with international connectivity. We can easily reach Southeast Asian market, making expansion more seamless. So we move to operational budget. This slide shows our operational budget, which cover the cost required to run and sustain our project. We need an international investment in equipment like laptop, testing device and furniture amounting to 45,000. For our operating expenses is our biggest recurring cost is mainly for AI development, content creation and marketing, which is 141,000. We also set aside fund for licenses, insurance and training plus a 30% contingency reserve for unexpected costs amounting for 14,000. In total, our operational budget is 200,000 annually or about 11,750 per month. That's it. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amzad Rashna bin Asno. So I'm going to explain my part, which is financial plan. So the financial plan shows steady growth with revenue increasing from 398,350 ringgit in year 1 to 950,000 ringgit in year 3. Net profit also improved significantly from 5,820 ringgit in year 1 to 188,885 ringgit in year 3, while operating and capital expense rise gradually to support business expansion. This also reflects a strong cost control and reinvestment for growth. So for the next one is a cash flow statement. The cash flow statement highlights a healthy financial position with positive cash inflow recorded every year. Net cash flow rises from 85,490 ringgit in year 1 to 378,885 ringgit in year 3, while the closing cash balance grows to 724,107 ringgit by year 3. This demonstrates strong liquidity and the ability to sustain operations smoothly. So we move to the next part, balance sheet. So from the balance sheet, total assets increased from 1,082
ringgit in year 1 to 793,557 ringgit in year 3, driven mainly by rising cash reserves. Liabilities remain low and stable between 55,000 ringgit and 81,603 ringgit, showing minimal debt exposure. Equity continues to strengthen through retained earnings and also reflecting long-term financial stability. So for the next one is performance potential and target. Looking ahead, the performance potential is promising. Revenue is expected to nearly triple over 3 years, supported by consistent profit growth and strong cash flow. With equity strengthening and reduced reliance on external funding, the company can focus on marketing, cost control, and also building customer trust. The ultimate target is to become a leading platform in the market while ensuring sustainable profitability. So that's all from us. Thank you.